Oompa-dee-doo, I've got another puzzle for you. Oompa, Loompa, Doompa-dee-dee, if you are wise, you'll listen to me.
Okay, today we're going to solve one-step equations by addition or subtraction, and this is section 3.1 in the book. Okay, so to solve an equation, you have to do the inverse or opposite of the operation that is already there to get x by itself. For example, we have the equation x plus 3 equals 15, and I want to get the x by itself. So to keep my equation balanced, I'm going to draw a line through the equal sign. The line through the equal sign reminds me that I have to do operations to both sides in order to keep the equation balanced. Next thing I want to do is label one side x and the other side number. This might seem pretty simple at this point in time, but when we get to more complex equations, it'll come in very useful. Okay, I'm ready to solve. So I want to get the x by itself. I'm going to do the opposite of plus 3, which is minus 3. Subtract 3 from both sides. And then I get x left on the left-hand side. On the right, 15 minus 3 is 12. So you work straight downwards. X equals 12 is the answer, but we're not done yet. We have to check. So I replace 12 in for x in the original equation, and I get 12 plus 3 equals 15, or 15 equals 15, and that's a check. And you've checked your answer. Okay, that seems pretty easy, right? Let's try another problem. So here's our example, number 2, 9 equals x minus 5. First, I have to put a line down the center to help me keep my equation balanced. Then I'm going to label the variable side, the one with the variable, x, and the number side, the one without the variable, with the number sign. Now I'm ready to solve, so I have to do the opposite of minus 5, which is plus 5. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides, compute downwards, and on the left I get 14, and on the right I have x. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0, and it goes away. So 14 equals x, but I have to plug it in to the original equation to make sure it works. So I get 9 equals 14 minus 5, and 14 minus 5 is 9, so it does check.
That's all, folks.